Well, hey, stranger. Come with me to make over this tiny bathroom. When I say tiny, I mean tiny. There's only a toilet in here. It's a water closet. What can I say? It's an ugly beige color, okay? Maybe it was in style back in I don't know when, but it's too yellow for me, okay? So we're gonna paint this white and voila. And just like that, the first coat of paint is done's. So next up is the second coat of paint, of course, Avi. Here I'm pretending that I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna do some trim on the wall. It's the first time I do it, so don't judge me. I almost smacked myself in the face with this, whatever it's called. So for the trim, I went over to Lowe's and picked out this molding, picture frame molding, I think it's called. Cut it with the miter saw to size. Make sure you are precise with your measurements or else it's going to change everything. Yeah, not like it happened to me or anything, but yeah, be careful. Use a level and a brad nailer. It'll make your life way easier. And for all the gaps, we're going to be using a caulking gun. Minus the gun because my tube exploded and I was left with this hot mess. So we're just going to keep going, pretend like nothing happened. And we do have to let that dry for about 20 minutes, I think it said on the instructions. But now it's time to paint it. And here is the finished result of the trim. If you want me to do a more in detail video of how I did the measurements and the trim and everything, let me know. I'll do a separate video on that. But meanwhile, look at the difference. It looks a lot better already. So with that all done, it's time for the fun stuff. Let's go shopping. We're gonna stop in Ross first. So we're gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna try to look for a nice frame, nice big frame that fits in there. Maybe something for the windowsill or something like that. We don't know. Maybe a candle. Next stop is Lobby, my favorite place. And oh my gosh, there was so many nice frames, but they were either way too expensive or way too small. But they're so cute. To look at this little flower frame. It's so adorable. My last stop and last chance to find something is this thrift store. There's a lot of cute stuff around here. Hopefully I find something. If not, I will go home and cry about it, and I'll let you know. Okay, we're back home now, and I am about to color the grout because it's an ugly tan color. I don't know what they were thinking. I guess it was in style at some point, but not anymore. I got this paint in Lowe's, and I really like the white color it is, but it was getting a little messy, so I didn't go with the instructions, and instead I painted it with a little paintbrush and then just wipe the edges off with a Q-tip and with just like a damp rag. And then so remember how we went shopping supposedly? I didn't find anything, so I had never shopped in Etsy before, but this was my last resource since I couldn't find anything here and I couldn't find anything on Amazon that I liked. So Etsy it was. I found this gorgeous print. It was only like $3 and some change. So I bought that and then got it printed in Walmart for $20, so like $23 or so. I already had the frame. It was from Target. They still have it at Target, even though I bought it a long time ago. They still sell those. Like I said, it's a really, really small bathroom, so I'm going to keep everything simple. I'm going to add this little basket. Let me know if you think I should paint this gold brass because I was thinking about doing it, but I'm just not 100% sure. But I did paint the trash can I had before in a gold color, and also painted the lid off of a candle that I have. I painted it gold too, and I'm gonna be putting that on the windowsill. And just keeping everything simple, but I think it's gonna be so cute. Sorry, that was my dog. Okay, I'll let you see the results. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, please hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.